Jeff Isaac, well, we're in blue jeans, is with us today. And today's question, another one that many of us can relate to. A friend of mine who I had an argument with a few weeks ago is going online and saying ridiculous, mean, untrue statements about me. She is telling everyone that I have been sleeping with her boyfriend. Totally untrue. What can I do? Thanks for your help. And that's from Cheryl in Lakeside. What do you think?
Well, unfortunately, we have more and more laws because, in some cases, because we have more and more gadgets, more inventions, the internet, social media. Now, the one law that comes into play no matter what happens is called defamation of character. So if someone's saying things that are untrue about you or me or somebody else, in this case Cheryl, and it causes damage, she does have a right to sue. To collect damages. The problem, again, as we go forward, is one, what kind of violation was there? Is it slander or libel? Slander is normally the oral word, people talking, and libel is about writing in publications, which probably would be with the internet and social media. So if you get by that, if you can get through that, the next step is, is there damages? And what are the damages? How do you assess damages for somebody saying...
How do you define it? Yeah.
Exactly, and that's the problem with law, because you have to get A, proven first, which means that she said these things and that it caused a problem, and then B, was there damages and how much are they? Is it worth $1,000, $1 million? And a lot of it depends on what, in fact, she does as an occupation, what her standing in the community is, because maybe she didn't sleep with him, but she slept with everybody else. Well, guess what? It does have something to do about her character, and therefore, it could be an offset. Let's put it that way.
But again, in terms of qualifying damages, what do you do? You have to have a loss of something? Can it just be your anguish over it?
Well, you can, yeah, sure. It's loss of employment. It could be a practical loss, but it could also be pain and suffering and anguish and reputation in the community. And, let's say she's a perfect person and all of a sudden everybody hates her, she's lost all her friends. Hard to put a number on that, but there's something there. And so judges then will look at that and say, hey, what can we assess as a proper damage? It's pretty tough.
And maybe you can just block this person and she'll go on to somebody else.
Yeah.
Get bored.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, that might be the easiest. All right, Jeff, thank you so much. If you'd like to send Jeff a question, send it to lawyerin bluejeans@gmail.com.